The VARG has never stopped evolving. Built on years of testing, development, and racing at the highest level, every improvement we have made has had one objective: to make the bike faster, easier to ride, and give riders more confidence. The new Factory Edition are the result of that journey. Racing and developing championship-winning motorcycles has been my life's work. Since joining Star, we have been improving the VARG through testing and competition at the highest level. From FIM Supercross and Arena Cross to FIM SuperEnduro, EnduroGP, Hard Enduro World Championship, and even Erzberg, every race has taught us something. This is the most performance-focused VARG we have ever built. The main upgrade is suspension. For the first time, we are offering a complete KYB Factory A Kit on a production motorcycle. This is the same level of suspension trusted by the factory race teams. And the difference is immediate. More grip, more precision, more confidence for the rider. The bike stays more balanced and lets you ride faster with less effort. Suspension is the single biggest performance upgrade you can do to any motorcycle. To support that performance even further, we have added titanium foot pegs, titanium ball kit, high grip seat, and a hand rear brake. Because once you tried one, it's hard to go back. Our dynamic traction control lets you fine-tune rear-wheel grip for every terrain and riding style. Together, these upgrades make the bike lighter, sharper, and even more confidence-inspiring. The MX Factory Edition, finished in exclusive stark red graphics and fitted with Dunlop MX-34 tires, built for riders who want to experience the VARG the way we race it. The EX Factory Edition takes the same philosophy into Enduro. Finished in exclusive forest grey graphics with Dunlop EN91 tires. Protection as standard and a full road homologation. We are building a limited number of factory editions. 200 MX models, 300 EX models, 2 limited editions, with only one global production run. I spent my career chasing performance. So if you're looking for the highest performance motocross or enduro bike ever built, this is it.